The components are the valve splash cover, the black hard plastic valve cap, and the soft valve diaphragm. Each FRONTLINE 500 has 2 valves located at the back of the suit. Begin by turning the hard plastic valve cap so the exhaust ports point towards the top of the garment. Grasp under the exhaust ports and pull down. Remove the valve diaphragm and confirm it is soft and pliable. Place the diaphragm disc onto the valve body and confirm it's seated. Place the hard black plastic valve cap onto the valve body. You should hear an audible click. Finally, make sure the exhaust ports of the valve cap point towards the bottom of the garment.